We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If you hear a clunk when the suspension works over bumps, the probable cause is excessive clearance in a joint due to wear. It might be as simple as a loose strut gland nut, or something more subtle such as a shrunken, dried-out rubber bushing.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.